We bought a Massey Ferguson subcompact tractor, and it's awesome. Stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to show you the brand new Massey Ferguson GC 1725 MB subcompact tractor. Just picked this up a few days ago, and as I said before, this thing is awesome. It's a workhorse. It may be small in size for a tractor, but it's going to get a lot of work done around here, and we're pretty happy to have it. This is the TLB, so tractor loader backhoe model. Comes with a really strong loader. Great tractor. This is the BH 2720 backhoe, and on the loader we've got the FL 1805. So just a brief video here, overview, walk around of this new tractor, talk about some of the features. This has the Massey engine, 24.5 horsepower. Now I did pick this tractor up with a third function valve installed from the dealer. This will allow me to put front implements on that require hydraulics. So a couple features here. It does have a tilt steering wheel on it. It does have the dual pedals back and forth. I looked at a lot of tractors. Looked at Kubota quite a bit. I did like their pedal, but when I started using this, I'm like, wow, this is really good. Love having the loader on the side by the fender, along with the third function, all installed. This seat flips up for the backhoe, turns around. It's pretty easy to do. Have to say, there are a lot of good tractors out there, and I think some tractors do things better. I don't think there's a perfect tractor as far as one tractor that does everything superior to another tractor. But in this case, I thought the Massey Ferguson had a lot of really good features on it, and especially for the price, it's hard to beat. I'll point out a few other things here. Cruise control, get the throttle. Also have the knobs here for the mid-mount implements. All the gear functions over here, as well as all the PTO engagements on the other side of the tractor. Brake, differential lock in case your wheels are spinning, and then we got the four-wheel drive engagement lever right there. Hood also pops open. Massey does turn the engine around compared to other tractors, so air is taken from this area and pushed through the engine versus on the regular engines where the hot air comes out here. So this will be really good in summertime. Probably not so good in wintertime if I'm snow plowing stuff. Rather have that heat on me, but for the summer months it should work out pretty well. Everything's pretty serviceable here. Pop this up, you can pull out your screen. Works out pretty well. Now I'll definitely have a lot of videos on tractors. I'm not turning my channel into a tractor channel, but you'll definitely see this tractor in some of my future videos, projects, DIY stuff. So I got some practice in this weekend using the tractor. I have about 3 hours on it so far. Came with about an hour on it. Dealer set me up with everything. Alright guys, going to finish up the video now. Just gave the tractor a bath and put on the rotary cutter. It's an RC4 from Woods. It's one of the attachments I got. I actually went ahead and brush hogged some of our field, and I'll be doing a separate video on that and showing you how that works and so forth. But this is all from a perspective of a novice tractor user. So I'm looking forward to gaining some experience in using this tractor as much as possible to help out with all the projects around the house. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question, hit that notification bell. Definitely come on back for more videos on this tractor, as well as other things, projects, happenings. Take care.